Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to schedule a post on the Tumblr mobile app. Step 1. Create your post by tapping the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Then choose the type of post you want to create: text, photo, video, etc. Next, add your content. It could be your text, images, videos or links. Then you tap the gear icon that's located at the top right corner of the screen. Select Schedule. This option will appear in the menu. Next, choose the date and time. You will be presented with a calendar and time picker. Select the date and time you want your post to be published. Tap Schedule again. This confirms your scheduling choice. Your post will now be queued and published automatically at the specified date and time. Note that scheduling functionality might vary slightly depending on the specific version of the Tumblr mobile app you're using. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, don't forget to write it in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye for now.